Make a great choice today with the 2022 GR Supra. The Toyota GR Supra combines design, performance, and safety. Heads will turn as you cruise down the street in this sports coupe. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, LED headlights. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.